Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick video I will show you how to connect your Razer Blackshark V2 Hyperspeed headset to your Xbox in 2025. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So first of all, let me give you an important note, that is a quick heads up. The Razer Blackshark V2 Hyperspeed is primarily designed for PC, PlayStations and some devices with USB or Bluetooth. Xbox consoles do not support standard USB wireless dongles that are not Xbox specific. So you can't use the wireless dongle directly with your Xbox. So weird connection, let's talk about. The good news is you can still use it wired. The Blackshark version 2 Hyperspeed comes with 3.5 mm audio cable. Just plug one end into your headset and the other one into your Xbox controller's headbox jack. Then you just can plug the cable, take the included 3.5 mm audio cable, plug it firmly into your headset audio port, the plug or other end into the 3.5 mm port on your Xbox controller. So here you will find out the controller options. Like let's say you just need to adjust your audio setting. You just need to press Xbox button, go to the setting audio and make sure your headset mic and audio are detect. Adjust the volume to your linking. Then let's say the optional one, wireless alternative. If you want true wireless for Xbox, you will need a headset certified for Xbox wireless like the Razer Kyra or Steel Series RTX Nova for Xbox. This connect directly to your Xbox without dongle, so you can use that one. And that's it for today. The easiest way to use your Razer Blackshark version 2 Hyperspeed with an Xbox is with the 3.5 mm cable. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.